Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from the Motilal Oswal Research Desk. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Friday, 31st October 2025, Nifty Index opened negative, weighed by overnight global cues, and fell throughout the day to break 25,850 marks. Even though the bulls were defending dips and despite the intermittent attempts of recovery, profit booking brought down the overall sentiment for the session, and it closed with losses of around 180 points. It formed a bearish candle on the daily frame and broke its higher highs formation of the last three trading sessions. India VIX was up by 0.8% to 12.07 levels. Nifty put call ratio decreased to 0.75. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,400 to 26,300 levels, while a major change is in between 25,600 to 26,100 mark. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 3,150 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 2,577 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 17%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to cross and hold above 25,900 for again to regain strength towards 26,100 and 26,277 marks, while support can be seen at 25,700 and 25,600 levels. Bank Nifty has to hold above 58,000 for the next up move towards 58,350, while on the downside support can be seen at 57,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in PB Fintech, BHEL, AP Capital, Canara Bank, NBCC, GMR Airport and BPCL. While some weakness could be seen in IEX, Indus Tower, REC, Dalmia Bharat and Syngene. Wish you a super day and a lovely weekend ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.